Samahan niyo po ako. Good morning everyone. Welcome to my channel, Raswin's Garage, The Mekanikong Pinoy. Today we will be doing this 1998 Honda Civic. We will be replacing the turn signal relay. I guess this applies to 96 to 2000 Honda Civic. So let's get started. So let's open the door. Now it's open. So in this repair we only need one tools, which is a Phillips screwdriver. So hold on, I'm just gonna position my camera and then let's start it. Okay, hold on. So after we remove the cover over here underneath the dashboard, this is the turn signal relay. So let's just pull it out. So it has like a 3 teeth. There you go. And then I got the new one here. It's from Lordco. Hold on. Let's just open it. So this is the new one. Just compare it. Hold on. So it's an, I think it's an aftermarket. And let's put it back. Put it on. There you go. Again. Let's start the car. So turn signal on. So if you touch this, you can hear like a ticking sound, or you can feel a ticking sound. So now it's working. I'll show you. Turn signal lights. Front two. right side. Let's check the right side. Okay, it's working now. Let's check the one on the front. Now it's working. Also guys, I'm gonna show you how to replace the turn signal switch too. So this came from the junkyard. So basically you will just just remove this cover. So there's like a 2 screw underneath this plastic cover that you have to like remove. And again, you will just need a Phillips screw. That's all you need. And then just slowly pop it up. So there you go. Cover from the bottom and cover from the top. Be careful guys, because sometimes there was like a connection. Probably this like from the alarm. So now you need the key. Put it on on a accessory position, like on the second one, and then just I'll show you here. Hold on. So see that? You only need to remove these 2 screw, this Phillips screw, this one, and then 2. But you have to position your power steering this way to gain an access for those 2 screw right there. So let's do it. Let's remove the screw. Then do the other one too. So guys, when doing this, you don't need to remove the whole power steering unit. I mean the power steering column unit. Just remove these 2 screws. So there you go. Once you remove your 2 screw, just pull it from here. See my finger? Just wiggle a little bit, and there you go. Then when you remove the these connections, there are like 2 connections, the bigger one and then a smaller one. Just press the side, then there you go. Then this one, press the one on the top. Hold on. Just press it hard. There you go. It's off. Now you can put the new one from the junkyard. This is the old one, and this is from the junkyard. So let's put it on. Don't be afraid to do this. And then just sneak it on, and then just put it on. Put back those two little screws. It doesn't matter where you're gonna start. So I'll put the one on the bottom. Then put the one on the top. Make it not over tight, just tight in a snug. There you go. Then before you put the cover, you better check your work first, if it works or not. And yep, it's working. That's the right side. Now you just need to like put on all those cover that you just removed, and then it's all done. So there you go, guys. This is a tutorial for the 98 Honda Civic turn signal relay replacement and turn signal switch. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.
Thanks for watching.